we gonna do now? Let's go back.
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Ain't good for you, baby.
Hey babes, I'm back again. Thank you for tuning in, and we're gonna get started with this video. I already went ahead and started with the eyebrows. I did the Anastasia Beverly Hills. We already know. I tried something new. I used a Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand for the base of my eyelids, and then I did my top eyebrows to cut them out with my what is it? My Nate's Got You Covered concealer. So this is what I normally use for the top and bottom. But then today I use this for the top, and then I use this for the bottom. So let's get started. Back. And yeah, we're gonna get started with this eye look, okay? My base is all matte. So yeah, let's get into this. The main purpose of me using the Tan Sand on my eyelid this time is so that whatever I apply for my transition shade would show up, because you know us dark skinned girls, it's very hard for darker colors to show up. I don't want to say any colors, but colors to show up on our skin tone. So yeah, that's why I use a lighter base. So let's get into something. How can we hurt the people? Let's hurt them. Let's hurt them. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this this shade right here. Okay, all right. 3503 Fierce by Nature Palette, and that is a shade. Matter of fact, I got the little paste mat right here. That shade is called Major Hottie. All right, and I'm using my Morphe, my BH Cosmetics number 12 brush. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Hey guys, so the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover. So I'm prepping my eyelids with the NYX Professional Glitter Primer. Now I'm taking the shade Make Believe out of the same Morphe palette, and I'm placing it on top of the eyelid primer. For our face primer, we are using the Fenty matte primer, and then I'll be going into the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer as well. For our foundation, you should know by now, this is a Juvia's Place liquid foundation. Well, not liquid, but like this is like a mousse kind of foundation. But yeah, this is in the color Togo 210, and I love it. For our concealer, we're going to use the NYX Got You Covered Professional concealer, and when we get done with that, we're going to put the Tarte Shape Tape concealer right on top in the color Tan Sand. Don't forget to wet your beauty blender with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. I was getting a little too happy. Look at me. Now I'm going in with my black opal foundation stick to use it for my contour. This part look like I'm blowing a kiss. I'm so corny. Anyways, I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup's setting powder. And this is the Black Radiance setting powder for that contour, baby. I'm going to take this Black Radiance 3-in-1 contour palette, and I'm just going to brush away all that powder off my face with some more powder. Isn't that crazy? You get powder to do work that powder was supposed to do, so you take the powder and you do what the powder was supposed to do. Yeah, let me shut up. Anyways, I'm going with my highlighter, my NYX highlighter. And now I'm lining my lips with a brown black lip liner. And I put some concealer on my lip, the Tan Sand, or the Tarte Tape Shape Tan in the color Tan Sand. And I blend that out, blot, 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 blot. Y'all know the deal. And then we go put some Morphe lip gloss right on top of that, okay? Boom. I told y'all. Morphe lip gloss. I forgot the name, but it'll be in the description box below. So check it out. All right. It's there, I promise. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have Princess Beautiful Baby Girl Tah'Zuri in the building. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.